flowing like a whisper through the valley low, carving out the canyons where the wild winds blow. Silent in the morning, raging in the night, painting all the shadows with your silver light. Water, oh water, you're the rhythm of the earth, turning all the sorrow into songs of rebirth, dancing with the sunlight, humming with the rain. You're the pulse of the ocean, you're the soul of the plain, mirror of the heavens, cradle of the tide, hiding all the secrets where the mermaids ride. Soft as a feather, strong as a storm. You're the blood of the river, you're the heart of the unknown. Every drop's a story, every wave's a name, flowing through the ages, never twice the same. Water, oh water, you're the rhythm of the earth, turning all the sorrow into songs of rebirth, dancing with the sunlight, humming with the rain. You're the pulse of the ocean, you're the soul of the plain. Water, water, you're the rhythm of the earth, turning all the sorrow into songs of rebirth, dancing with the sunlight, humming with the rain. You're the pulse of the ocean, you're the soul of the plain, flowing like a whisper through the valley low, carving out the canyons where the wild winds blow. Silent in the morning, raging in the night, painting all the shadows with your silver light. Water,